Moving on, shifting our focus to Maharashtra now. A statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji in Maharashtra, inaugurated just 8 months ago, has collapsed, giving rise to a political maelstrom. The statue was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a fort in Sindhudurg district in December last year. The incident has come as a major embarrassment for the state government and as a major plank for the opposition to gun for the government in the poll-bound state. Aghadi allies are accusing the Mahayuti Sarkar of focusing more on headline management and ignoring an icon like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. NCP Sharad Pawar, Congress and Shiv Sena UBT have united in alleging that the state government rushed the inauguration as it had its eyes on Lok Sabha elections. They have blamed the Shinde Sarkar for poor quality of work, no respect for an icon and only wanting to reap political benefits. Shiv Sena UBT MLA Vaibhav Naik, along with his supporters, allegedly vandalized the local PWD office in Malvan town to protest against the collapse of the statue. As his party colleagues said that Mahayuti will face repercussions for this in the upcoming state polls.
महाराज का अपमान हुआ, पूरे शिवप्रेमी का, महाराज का ही नहीं शिवप्रेमी का अपमान हुआ। पुतले में खड़ा करने वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने अगर ये काम में चोरी की होगी, कमीशन खोरी की होगी, दलाली खाई होगी, अब यह कि छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पुतले में भी यह सरकार कमीशन खाएगी। कौन है ये ठाणे का? हमारी मांग है इनके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई हो।
अत्यंत गंभीर आहे। महाराजांचा पुतळा बसवताना या सरकारने काळजी घेतली नाही। सरकार त्याला जबाबदार आहे। सरकारने केवळ आणि केवळ पंतप्रधानांच्या हस्ते हा पुतळा उभारायचा एवढा उद्देश ठेवून इव्हेंट केली, पण मूळ महाराजांच्या प्रती जी काळजी घेणं आवश्यक होतं, पुतळा उभारताना त्याच्या बळकटीची, त्याच्या सर्वच तिथल्या वाऱ्याची, तिथल्या सगळ्या परिस्थितीची, याचा दुर्लक्ष करण्याचं काम झालेलं आहे। मी नेहमी म्हणतो की हे सरकार इव्हेंट सरकार आहे, यांना कामाच्या दर्जाविषयी देणं घेणं नाही।
ये महायुति की सरकार क्या करना चाहती है? इस पुतले का उद्घाटन स्वयं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अपने कर कमलों द्वारा किया था। मतलब प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस विषय को ले रहे हैं उस विषय में भी भ्रष्टाचार। इसका जवाब महायुति सरकार को महाराष्ट्र की जनता आने वाले चुनाव में देकर रहेगी।
Outraged, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has blamed strong winds for the cave-in and vowed to rebuild the structure. Asked about the collapse, Shinde said the statue was designed and built by the Navy. Sindhudurg Guardian Minister Ravindra Chavan, who holds the PWD portfolio, said that a case has been filed against those involved in statue work. Chavan said that the steel used in making of the statue had started rusting and the PWD had already written to Navy officials informing them about the statue catching rust and requested them to take appropriate steps. The Navy has also deputed a team to immediately investigate the cause of this unfortunate accident and initiate steps to repair, restore and reinstate the statue at the earliest.
टीका करायला त्यांना काय वेळच वेळ आहे, त्यामुळे मी काय त्या टीकेकडे काही लक्ष देत नाही। फक्त एवढंच सांगतो, झालेली घटना अतिशय दुर्दैवी आहे। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांचं महाराष्ट्राचं आराध्य दैवत आहे आणि ज्या पुतळ्याचं लोकार्पण आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदीजींनी केलं होतं, तो पुतळा त्या कार्यक्रमाला आम्ही होतो। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांची भूमिका आहे। हा पुतळा जो आहे हा नेव्हीने उभारला होता, त्याचं कंप्लीट डिझाईन नेव्हीने तयार केलं होतं आणि मी कलेक्टरशी बोलल्यानंतर त्यांनी मला सांगितलं 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर अशा प्रकारचा वारा, सुसाट्याचा वारा जो भोग होता आणि त्या याच्यामध्ये पुतळ्याचं नुकसान झालेलं आहे। पण मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो, उद्याच तिथे नेव्हीचे अधिकारी येणार आहेत। आमचे पालकमंत्री रवींद्र चव्हाण देखील घटनास्थळी गेलेत। मी त्यांना सांगितलंय, सूचना केलेल्या आहेत।
Shrishti is joining us live on the broadcast. Shrishti, we just heard what the Chief Minister said. He said that the Navy was given the task and it was the Navy that designed and built the statue. The opposition says this is an example, a proof of corruption and that they've not even spared Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Well, of course, in this entire matter, what has transpired is that the massive statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj collapsed in Sindhudurg district, and that was built by a contractor from Thane. Now, case has been registered against him under several sections of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and investigation is being done by the state government as well. However, now politics has erupted over this, and UBT Sena leaders are saying the fact that the answers will be given to the state government by the Janta in upcoming elections. The government is just doing events, and they are just following the event bazi which they do every time when there are elections. However, this particular statue was just built few
Right.
months ago on the occasion of Navy Day at that particular site in Sindhudurg to remark the excellent work of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj for safeguarding the coastline
Right.
of the entire
Right.
state.
Right,
And
sister,
that's
thank you
why
very
that
much for getting
statue
us the
was built,
details.
and
We'll
that's
keep coming back to you for more on this because this has led to a massive political fight in Maharashtra. We're slipping into a short break for now, but a lot more is lined up on the other side as well. Stay on with us.